Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to continue chapter number 8, that is soil erosion and conservation. We have already studied about soil erosion and the natural agents of soil erosion, that is wind and water. And in today's video we will be discussing about the human activities which are responsible for the soil erosion. What are the human activities which respond or which works for the soil erosion? So let us continue. Human activities. It is very clear from the name, human activities, the activities which are done by human, and such activities results in soil erosion. So the first is deforestation. Deforestation is made up of two words, that is de and forestation. Forestation means the forest where plants are there, and de means reducing it, है ना? That is deforestation. Second is overgrazing by animals. We all know that animal graze, but if the animals are doing overgrazing, अगर उसको ज़्यादा करते हैं, then also it results in soil erosion. Then comes leaving land barren after crops are harvested. Means here what happens? People are harvesting the crops and then they are leaving the land. Then what happens? There also soil erosion is caused. So we will be discussing it one by one. So the first one is deforestation. Cutting down of trees in large number is called deforestation. When people cut the forest for their selfishness and they need the space to construct factories, houses, malls, then deforestations occur. So basically these are done by man. Deforestation causes soil erosion because the roots of trees bind the soil particles together. As we know that the root are binding the soil, and when if there will be no tree, then what will happen? The soil can move easily. So the deforestation is a very major reason for the soil erosion, and it is done in very large number. Few examples we can see is that is how this is a large amount of forest where people are cutting and then land is barren, then they are using the woods, they are using the trees for making the furnitures, their luxurious things. So people are using the trees, deforesting the forest, and then they are using for their daily use. So this is how soil erosion is caused, and it is not good for any land. Now there is one more major example, that is Amazon forest pattern, which you can see that how yearly the area of deforestation is increasing. Here is the area, here is the year, and the yellow area which is increasing means वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? पेड़ कट रहे हैं. The green are the forest and the white area are the area where forests are being cut, where deforestations are occurring. So year by year the area of deforestation is increasing. So this is a very important issue and very crucial for humans to think that people are cutting down tree in such a good speed, like Amazon forest, we all are knowing it. After that, the second point is overgrazing by animals. Now what happens in overgrazing? When cattle are left to graze on the same piece of land year after year, it results in the land becoming barren, and the soil erosion occurs faster in the barren land. What is happening? The sheep are grazing the land, and the same sheep are coming on the same land year by year. Continuously they are coming. Whole through the year, the sheep are grazing on the same land. Then ultimately, after few years, what happened? That area become barren. वहां पे क्या होता है? Soil erosion हो जाता है, and in that area you cannot grow crops in future. So basically, if you leave the animals for the larger time for grazing the land, it will result in barren land. Now, the third one is leaving land barren after crops are harvested. Here, what is happening? Very often, farmers are leaving land barren once the crop is harvested. Soil erosion occurs faster on barren land. Like these are the lands the farmers are using, and after harvesting their crops, like they are growing the wheat crops, then they will harvest the wheat crops and then they will leave the land like this. Then what will happen if the farmers will leave the land like this? Then what will happen? Ultimately, soil erosion will occur, है ना? वहाँ वहाँ का जमीन क्या हो जाएगा? बंजर हो जाएगा. That area will be barren. So what the farmer should do? The farmer should grow some other crops like grass, so that that land should not become barren. So this is also very crucial point that we humans are also responsible for soil erosion. तो वहाँ पे क्या होगा? Soil वहाँ पे कटेगा. There will be wind, there will be water, and ultimately the soil will move from one place to another. This is also a land where you can see the farmer has harvested the crop, and this is how that land is looking. See, by the water flow the soil is being moving. The soil is being moved और वो एरिया क्या हो जाता है? कटा कटा हो रहा और वो एरिया क्या हो जाता है? barren हो जाता है. That field is completely barren and easily soil erosion is taking place. So these were the reasons which you see and you understand that soil erosion can be done naturally as well as by human also. The humans are doing by deforestation, by overgrazing and leaving the land barren after cropping or harvesting it. So these are the 3 points which we have discussed. So I hope you would have understood the reason for soil erosion conducted by humans. Thank you, my dear children.